Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys my finished craft room. It's not exactly how I want it to be because of the situation with everything going on. We did have to quickly move everything out of Madison's room so that I could put her bed and everything back together to bring her back from university. So everything is a little bit not exactly where I want it to be, stuff like that, but it's still usable, which is good because right now I need to craft. So let me just take you in. I'm going to do a quick overview. I'm not going to go into everything right away, but just to give you guys an idea of how it's turning out. So let me see. There we go. Just put on the wide lens there for you guys so you can see. So basically this is our spare bedroom. It is 10 by 13. So this back wall that you're looking at back here is 10 feet wide. The side wall is 13. This side wall is only 10 because the door is on an angle. So I do lose a little bit on that one side. So basically with all the furniture and everything in there, I do have room to move around. There is still I have more room to move around than there was before. But there is some extra stuff in there right now just because I needed to get everything in before I could continue to sort through. I did do a lot of purging. I got rid of a lot of stuff, which feels really good, but I also saw stuff that I hadn't seen in a long time and would really love to play with. So I am working on some stuff right now. So let me just take you in here. And sorry, it's going to be shaky. All right, so when I close the door, this is the door to come in, and then this is the door to the closet. I do have a couple of bins on the bottom here. These are ribbons and stuff that I have not found a place for them to go, and then that is some paper collections. And then we have the Ikea Mom Desk. So basically this side pulls in and out, but it's permanently out with my storage unit underneath. And then as you can see, I'm storing some stuff under it. So I did have to bring my desktop in here so that I could work from home. So I am working in here, which is fun. I still haven't decided what to put up here. And then I have put a few things on the wall over here. This is a picture frame that I picked up on clearance at HomeSense. And eventually I'm going to switch out everything that's in it for handcrafted stuff. So I'm going to create that myself. And then all of this, I'm not sure. I don't really want it to stay here, but you know, that's where it is for now. And then the closet, not much has changed since I showed you guys. I probably just got some more things to fit in there. Again, because I just had to get it out of Madison's room. So it's still pretty good. I can still get in to all my scraps. And a lot of that stuff I don't use right now, but eventually want to. I did pick up a new chair since I'm going to be working from home too. It's a lot better on my back than the other one was. And then I do have some artwork down there that I'm planning on putting up on the walls. And then this table, the black one back here, is not going to be staying because that's what I had to temporarily bring in so that I could put all this stuff back in here to get it out of the way. Jonathan has also been in here and shoved some stuff in because he's been playing in here. I have my one cart here. This basically has all envelopes and cards, and then I did fit some ribbons in and my embossing powders and glues and stuff. Down here, I've got all my bins, and they're all labeled with these beautiful chalkboard tags from Michaels. They came with the twine, and I just put them on with little shaped paper clips. Got my 6x6 paper pads down on the bottom there. Got some more items stored. There's some overflow 6x6 paper pads. My Nuvo drops. These are all oversized stamps and dies that don't fit into my regular storage. And then I just have some random stuff up on the pegboards for now. I do have my flowers up on the wall, the flowers in the jars. And then again up here, my plan is I have gorgeous girls diamond paintings that I'm working on, and they're gonna go up there. All of this, again, is just, I tried to put it up there nicely, but basically I'm not quite sure if that's what's gonna stay there. So this is the part that I love. I have across the top, we have 12 by 12 albums, all of my 8.5 by 11 solid cardstocks. This is random like sticker paper, specialty shrink plastic, magazines, stuff like that. And in this one we have glitter cardstocks, some white paper, watercolor, Yupo and Bristol. I have some overflow Prima paper up here. And then in these ones I have 8.5 by 11 albums, and then I also have the Greeting Farm stamp kits are in those. Over here I have my Stampin' Up ink pads. I got this poster for Madison's room. She didn't want it anymore, but I thought it looked beautiful in here. And then over here I have, sorry, I was picking up my hot gun, my other cart. This one has all mixed media stuff in the bottom, Sizzix dies, my stamp storage, envelopes, and then on top is all, under here is all Project Life cards. And then again, this is the mishmash. These are all empty. This whole stack, other than the top, is all empty containers, which is pretty good. And I can't really show you guys what's in these bottom ones. They're on the side, Madison's Cheesecakes, cat houses in the one of them. My sewing machine's in the other with the laminator. And then the top two are the drawers that I had in my old unit. So I still have some stuff in there. And then down in here, I'm storing a lot of my tools, some diamond paintings that I'm working on, that kind of stuff. And so then all of my drawers, I'm trying to put everything in. Some of them I haven't labeled yet because I don't really quite want to stick to something until I figure out if that's what is going to work. But like this, I have stickers and rub-ons, so they're all in here. And then like the bottom is straws, bags, and tissues, and kind of stuff for packaging. Yeah. I have my mat, which is actually really good because this floor is slippery. And I have my workspace. I haven't quite figured out all the stuff that I want to put on this one yet, but I have gone through and I cleaned and dusted this one. Felt so good. And reorganized everything. I'm just using this as my little trash bin for my scrapbooking. I'm working on an album from 2007. That's how old this one is. This is my little university student. She's so cute. Yeah, so I have everything out here that I'm working on. I have my baby wipes. This is overflow that I'm hoping to get rid of. And then over here I've got some more paper flowers. And again, everything in this side is pretty much labeled. It works like they store a lot of stuff. And I'm trying to do it so that everything is accessible. But you know, it's hard, especially when you're a craft hoarder like me. Oh yeah, so then down here is all my fridge bins. They're all on this level so that I can pull them out. I can take a look. Everything is in there. The next little is all 12 by 12. And I have labeled to the brands that are on each shelf so that I know. Sorry about the shadow there, guys. So then that basket down there is basket filler. This one's cards and envelopes, sequins and shaker mix. My God, I have a lot of sequins. You guys want to see? Wow! I got this from Facebook Marketplace. I was super happy about that. So I actually have them all filled up and labeled with extra so that I just take it from here first. And then this one is all embellishments. This is all my little containers with embellishments. So that one's kind of hard, but I don't know. This is all Graphic 45 and Tim Holtz, and then more 12 by 12 kind of glitter specialty paper. Yeah, so that is it. Oh, and my banner. I did put up some curtains. And my Create banner, I picked up those flowers from, what's it called? Oh my goodness, I've lost it now. One of the stores around here that just closed down recently. So I got them on clearance, but I have my filming all set up. Yeah, so that's it. If you guys have any questions, or if you want to see anything further in detail, let me know. I will do another one eventually when everything is in the right place and it's looking on point. All right, so leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.